Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel TSB Credit Card. To cancel your TSB Bank Credit Card, the first thing you need to do is to open a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in tsb.co.uk and search. Once you get to the official homepage for TSB, scroll all the way down and click on the Contact Us tab. Under Contact Us, expand the Lost or Stolen Cards option. Now you will be provided with the list of phone numbers. Go ahead and make a phone call on the number provided based on your location and then talk to a customer service representative and state that you'd like to cancel your credit card. Before beginning the process, remember that you must fully pay off your entire credit balance. Any reward point associated with your card must be used before cancellation, and while talking to the customer service representative about the desire to cancel your credit card, make sure you have valid ID and any relevant document for verification process. And then the representative will assist you through the cancellation process, and that way you will be able to cancel your credit card for TSB Bank. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.